Hello everyone, my name is breathtaking and welcome to my channel. Today I came to Potsdam. This is a nearby city from Berlin. It only took me like 40 minutes to come here. My very first stop was the Potsdam Alter Markt, means old market. There were several amazing buildings: Potsdam City Palace, the Landtag, which is the Parliament building of Potsdam, St. Nikolai Kirche, and Potsdam Museum. Here you can see German people keeping the Bengali tradition alive. So my next stop is this Brandenburger Tor gate in Potsdam. This was built in 1771. My God, so long ago. So let's see. And this is the other side of the gate. My next stop is the Church of St. Peter and St. Paul, which is the other side of the Brandenburger Tor gate. Let's go. It was built in 1870. This is Nauener Tor. It is like an entrance to the old Potsdam city. This is also a landmark for the city. This gate that you are looking at, it was built in 1733. Literally the oldest preserved gate in the history of Potsdam. Let's see. This place is called Church of Peace. This gave me a huge Game of Thrones vibe. Big shout out to my friend Te. Neues Palais. It was built in 1763. I am at my very end spot. This is called Sanssouci Palace. It was built in 1747, I guess. Let's tour around. Again, Germans are keeping the Bangladeshi tradition alive. At last, we meet again. My old nemesis, stairs. After all that climbing, we are only halfway to the castle. Let's go. Finally, we have reached to the Sanssouci Palace. With this, I'm ending my Potsdam tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, give a like. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, TV Far From Home.